Hello, this is Nam with Super Window and Gutter Cleaning. We're just cleaning these gutters here. We didn't bend this metal. It was there like that before, I guess, from the last person that tried to clean it. So wherever it's not bent, here, it's all bent, but someplace, these before used to pretty much butt up against the. See, this is not bent right here. This one's actually a wider than a lot of them I see down that way. But yes, just clean the top of them. I was thinking to take off the ends, one end over here, one end over there, and then we're gonna probably put a hydrojet in here and see if we can get it out. Everything that's in there, because it goes pretty deep in here. So, what do you guys think? All right, peace.